Let's focus on the latest updates this morning on the coronavirus crisis. A lot of talk about unlocking now as there's been a dip in cases. Let's focus first on the city of Mumbai, which has seen a sharp dip in COVID cases. And that's why the Maharashtra government has also hinted at easing COVID restrictions from June 1st in the financial capital. Maharashtra Health Minister Rajesh Tope has said that the government will give some relaxation in some parts of Mumbai. He did, however, add that the lockdown will not be lifted completely. So in all likelihood, it's going to be phase-wise. Remember that Mumbai in the last 24 hours has reported 1,266 cases. That's a major dip since the second wave really swept the country and cases were soaring in the city. With the situation clearly showing some improvement, Mumbai's mall owners have now appealed to the state government to allow them to reopen malls. They said that due to the shutdown of malls alone, India suffered a huge loss of 30,000 crores in the second COVID wave. They've added that about 30 to 40% of the staff have already lost their jobs. And that's why mall owners are also demanding now a property tax waiver, and they've sought a loan moratorium.
करीबन 21 जिले स्टेट एवरेज जो 10% पॉजिटिविटी रेट है उससे ज़्यादा है और इसीलिए माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी और सभी लोगों के विचारों से यही तय हुआ है कि लॉकडाउन उठाना मुनासिब नहीं, लॉकडाउन उठाना पूरी तरह से लॉकडाउन उठाना ठीक नहीं। इसीलिए एक ज़रूर है कि जिन ज़िलों में बहुत ज़्यादा डिक्लाइन है, बहुत ज़्यादा कर्व नीचे आया है, ज़रूर उन ज़िलों में हम शिथिलता देना पसंद करेंगे।
Let me take this across now to Pankaj Upadhyay, who's joining us live from Mumbai with the latest updates on the story. Pankaj, good morning. What can Mumbaikars expect from the government? It's obviously going to be a phase-wise unlock. It's not going to be a complete lifting of the lockdown. But what is the strategy of the government? What perhaps is going to be the first phase of unlock?
Good morning, Akshita. So this is going to be a very crucial decision, even though cases are coming down in Mumbai. And the Mumbai Municipal Corporation says that the situation is completely under control now, with the recovery rate more than 93% now. And both the containment zones, active sealed buildings have substantially come down now. But remember, Mumbai still has more than 28,000 active cases. So what is going to be the strategy of the government at this point of time is going to be very important. I was having words with the experts. Is Mumbai ready to unlock? And most of the medical experts that I've had a word with, they say right now don't even think of reopening the local trains. Government cannot do that. Government can't even think of opening the various restaurants or gyms or the marriage halls, because that could be dangerous when the cases are coming down. But will the shops be open for more number of hours? Right now it's 7 to 11. Will there be a relaxation? And on that front, the final decision is going to be taken by the Chief Minister. And as I said, it is going to be a very crucial decision. Now is the time when the cases are coming down, and on the other hand, the state or Mumbai as such does not have enough supply of the vaccine, because vaccination is yet another program. The state does not know when will it have enough supplies of the vaccine. So at such a crucial juncture, will relaxations be given? Will that prove to be costly for the state government? Chief Minister will take the final call on it. But yes, the daily count of cases in Mumbai are coming down. But also remember, as far as the state is concerned, Akshita, the state still has more than 3 lakh active cases. Rajesh Tope, the state health minister, has went on record to say that there are 21 districts in the state that have a positivity rate more than 10%. That is higher than the state average. So at this point of time, what kind of relaxations will the Chief Minister contemplate? This is going to be a very crucial decision. The decision perhaps is expected to be out in the next 2 days. The present lockdown-like restrictions stay till 1st of June.
Okay, whatever said and done, even if there are some relaxations, as far as the curbs are concerned, we cannot afford to let our guard down. Mumbaikars will have to continue to ensure they follow all possible precautions. Pankaj, thank you very much for joining us this morning with all the latest updates on that.